How to add another account on Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to log in or add another account on Facebook, here is the steps to do so. First of all, head over to Play Store or App Store, search for Facebook, and if there's an update button, make sure to tap on it. Once updated, launch the application. First of all, head over to your profile on the top right corner and log out of your account. Once you log out of your account, you will land to this page. From here, select on Use Another Profile. On this page, you have to provide in your mobile number or email address and then the password to log in. After that, you can just log into another account and another account is added. If you have forgotten password, tap on Forgot Password option. After that, you can find your account using mobile number or email address and then continue with the recovery process. In order to create a new account, there's an option on this page as well. Tap on Get Started, fill in your details, and your account will be added. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.